Google Ads are worth it, but I get why you're asking, because a lot of contractors throw money at them and feel like nothing happens. The thing is, ads only do one job. They put you in front of someone who is searching for your service, for example, window and door work right now. That's traffic and it is powerful, but that person still lands somewhere, and if where they land doesn't make them trust you, they back out and call the next guy. So when ads feel like a waste, it's usually not the ads, it's that the traffic showed up and your site didn't hold them. So fix that site and the same ads start to feel like the best money you spend. With that said, build trust on your website because you are sending all the traffic to your landing page.